055, left base for runway 1, full stop landing.
Good. That's a good shot.
You radio comms.
Roger.
All traffic 97055, clear of runway 1. Over.
Alton Bay, Skyhawk 766, departing runway 1 to the southwest Alton Bay.
Hey, how's the weather up there at Alton Bay right now? Some small snow squalls around, but not too bad. Yeah, we're coming up from Concord, and it's definitely not VFR between here and there. Yeah, it looked pretty snowy. Around Laconia is all right, so. Say that again, around Laconia? Scattered snow squalls, mostly to like the south, north, and north. All right, thanks for that.
Loudon traffic 2507 kilo, Alton Bay traffic, straight up the lake.
Oh, look at the snowmobiles.
Oh yeah, I got them all.
Awesome.
Meow. It's probably got full throttle on.
Yeah, right?
It's pretty smooth, you can just open it up.
I know it.
I freaking love mountains, John. Yeah. Can we build a mountain by Brainerd?
Probably
knock
could.
some houses down and just start dumping some dirt?
Well, there is. We got the landfill in Hartford there. That's a nice spot.
Is it me, or can you tell which runway we're using as you're driving toward it from Glastonbury?
Toward Brainerd?
Yeah, if you smell it on the Putnam Bridge, you know we're using runway 29.
We're going to plan a right face entry for runway 30 Concord.
Want to file an IFR?
I know, right? We're definitely going to hold it at 2,500 for a while.
Over 5 midfield at 1,500 to join next downwind 324 full stop Marshall. Alton Bay traffic, Peninsula HO2 runway Papa 5 miles to the north, entering the 45 to left downwind runway 1. Alton Bay traffic, Moody 432 Mike Juliet is departing to the south, last call, Alton Bay.
Alton Bay traffic, 2507 kilo. I am 1.5 miles to the north from Alton Bay at 2,000 feet, going up the lake.
Alton Bay traffic, Peninsula HO2 runway Papa 4 miles to the northwest on the 45 to the left downwind runway 1. All traffic, this is Skyhawk 97055 will be departing runway 1. How's the weather look?
Alright, the camera held up nice for your departure.
Nice.
Camera moved again.
Alton Bay traffic, Peninsula HO2 runway Papa, left, midfield left downwind runway 1. Alton Bay traffic.
Alright, I'm going to go over here and stay out of this snow squall.
Air 519, there's some sort of weather over Concord, maybe to the east of Concord. Let me know if you encounter the weather and any icing conditions, please. November 74 Bravo, you got traffic low after 11 o'clock and 2 miles, 1500 indicated.
Negative contact, looking for traffic, 2274 Bravo.
November 084, turn right heading 130.
Right, 130 or 2084. And after this, we're going to, after this miss, we're just going to go down to Minuteman.
November 084, roger.
Do one more lap.
Yeah, I can't tell how high these clouds are.
November 90 Kilo back in good VMC conditions ahead of you.
We probably got at least 20 miles visibility below the clouds. 9290 Kilo.
Outstanding, thanks.
Come on, baby, climb.
500 feet per minute. Right above Loudon Racetrack.
My freaking elbow hits the window latch.
Look at that.
No. Look at that.
What a beautiful sight.
KH1223, 8000 direct bench.
KR1223, boss approach, good afternoon, altimeter 3019er, clear direct Lebanon.
19 direct Lebanon, thank you, good afternoon, KH1223.
I'm Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. Thanks for watching Part 2 of Alton Bay. I encourage you to follow me on Instagram, as I'm posting bonus content there that's not available on YouTube. Feel free to stick around and watch the landing back to Hartford, as well as some additional video footage from Alton Bay. As always, have a sparkling day.
Hi. You guys still have the stickers?
Yes, we do. They're $5 each.
Can I get 2 of them?
Absolutely. Hey, Janet? Yep, got it. 2 stickers, please.
She's nice and warm in there, huh?
Yes, she is.
Thank you, Janet.
All right. I need some change, please. A 10 or 2 5s. Or just rib a 20.
Jan's afraid to be on camera.
She's nice and warm.
I know.
You got a heater in there?
Nope, just me.
This is just going to be a top off, right? Ask the pilot in command, he's at 12 o'clock. This is just a top off, right? Yeah, that's good.
Be sure to stop by next week as Jeff and I head over to Brookhaven over Long Island Sound for a lunch at Wings Airport Cafe. It's supposed to be a nice day today. There's the sky, and there's a bird coming in for a landing. And today we're not landing on asphalt, and we're not landing on grass. We're landing on ice. Yes. This is my breath. That's cold.